Hey y'all, welcome. It's time for another Imperfect Produce unboxing. That's right, Imperfect Produce takes all the not cosmetically perfect fruits and veggies and brings them to your house so that they don't go to waste because grocery stores are picky and won't take them, but they're perfectly edible. So therefore, I'm cooking ugly and helping the environment and reducing food waste and all that stuff. Plus, when you're cooking ugly, Imperfect Produce donates 5 pounds of produce to a local food bank. So let's see what I got. Now, I put together a special box because you can customize. And I customized mine because I'm not going to be here for Thanksgiving, so I didn't want to skip my shipment. You can do that. But I wanted to be able to have fruits and veggies when I got home from Thanksgiving. So I customized with a lot of things that will have long shelf life. So I have an acorn squash. Probably a little discolored. That's why it's not perfect. I got two 8-ounce packages of organic cranberries that I'm going to turn into scones or biscotti or muffins, cranberry orange. Why? Because look, I got some oranges. So a little cranberry orange there. Then I've got a couple potatoes. Those will last. Then I got some more. Oh, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop. I got red potatoes. So many I can't even hold. Oh, geez. What am I going to do with all these potatoes? Oh. Then I got one great big giant sweet potato that I'm going to cut up and enjoy. Then I got some apples because they're great for snacking. I just throw them in my backpack when I'm traveling. Never know when you're going to get stuck in an airport. I got ow! Swallowed wrong. Carrots. So, then I got adventurous. That's right. I got turnips. I've never cooked turnips before. So it's going to be an adventure. Maybe we'll roast them. Something like that. And finally, it wouldn't be the holidays without a pomegranate. So I'm going to open this pomegranate up when I get home from my trip. I'm going to open it up, have a little toast with a little peanut butter and some pomegranates. And then finally, I got a recipe card where I can learn more about pomegranates and things to do with them. And also a fresh apple cake. So that is all my imperfect produce. Have a happy, lovely Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. And if you want to join the food revolution and get imperfect with me, leave me a message somewhere. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. I'll get you $10 off your first box. Until then, keep cooking ugly.